Difference between fluorescence and phosphorescence. Fluorescence. It is the absorption of energy by atoms or molecule followed by immediate emission of light or electromagnetic radiations. Emission of light suddenly stops on removal of source of excitation energy. Phosphorescence. It is the absorption of energy by atoms or molecules followed by delayed emission of light or electromagnetic radiations. Emission remains for some times even after removal of excitation source. Time period or interval between absorption and emission of light is very short time. Material give immediate flash or after glow on excitations. Time period between absorption and emission is long. Material appears to glow in dark because of slow emission of light. Mechanism. Fluorescence. Excited atom has short lifetime before its transition to lower energy state. Transition occurs from ground to singlet excited state and do not change direction of spin. Phosphorescence. Excited atom has long lifetime before it transition to lower energy state. Transition from single excited state to triplet state without change of spin. Mechanism. The atom goes to second electronic singlet state and the atom goes to first electronic singlet state. First electronic singlet state to inter-system crossing system, and the process is called phosphorescence. First electronic singlet state to ground state. This process is called fluorescence process. Applications. Fluorescence microscope, filter fluorometer, spectrofluorometer, fluorescence microscope, fluorescence scanner. Protein conformation, genetic engineering, DNA analysis, enzymatic reactions, membrane viscosity, membrane transport. Examples: fluorescent jellyfish, chlorophyll, extract, vitamins, gemstones including gypsum, talc, etc. Fluorescence. Glow of Clark dials, material in science board illuminate of light. Thank you.